Hi, I'm Helena. I'm a current skill cymryd apprentice under the PWER scheme, and I will be sharing with you 4 departments that I have experienced in the screen industry. Those departments are transport, locations, construction and DIT. Departments you might have overlooked. Let's begin with transport, shall we? I mean, these people, these individuals have to make sure that the producers, directors, main cast get to and from the studio. And then on top of that, they have to make sure the entire crew and any supporting artists, they all make it to the location that we're filming. If they didn't do that, then there would be no one there to film. And they've got to make sure everyone gets home safe, which is very important, and they do a very good job. So appreciate them. Now we're on to locations. Now this is a very gritty job I would not take lightly. You have to be on it like a car with its bonnet. From ice, wind, rain, hot summer days, you are out in it, on location, protecting the location, managing the location, making sure that the crew on location are safe on location. If it wasn't for locations, there wouldn't be any location to shoot. Therefore, locations have to go on recce's to find locations to make sure are shootable. Construction. Construction is a really good gig, I won't lie to you. It doesn't even matter if you've never had experience before. You might have never held up a drill, but you will learn once they have laughed at you. Because basically you're around a really supportive group of people who will laugh at you when you do something wrong. But then they will help you. They will laugh at you and then they will help you. And you get to create things from scratch. I mean, you're creating whole sets from scratch. That is pretty good. Pretty good. In on the action. You learn about the digital know-how of filming. You learn how to set up equipment like monitors and cables and how to make sure those equipment aren't broken. And if they are broken, you fix them. And you're learning alongside the director of photography himself or herself or themselves. So there you have it, guys. A brief look at 4 departments that need a little more love in this industry. So start loving them. Okay, bye.